Hey, everybody. And welcome to my channel. Guys, it's an amazing day today. Yes, it is. Got my workout on. So, guys, I'm feeling so good. I'm like a kid. But listen, welcome to my channel if you're new to my channel. When you come here, you're going to get some energy. And so if you're out of energy and your vibration is low, come to my channel. So guys, welcome. And if you're new, please do not subscribe until you listen and gain some value. Then you can subscribe, like, share, put your notifications on because I drop a video daily. Yes, I challenge myself to do that. And so, guys, I want to talk about my first Zoom meeting with my mentor for 2021. Oh my gosh, I love my mentors so much. I am so grateful for them. Guys, this Zoom meeting went on for, must have been 5 hours. About 5 hours. And I even dozed off while my mentor, while he was speaking. And I got back up, and when I jumped up, it was like 2:22 my time. And when I looked at the participants, it was 2:22 participants left in the Zoom. And I'm like, oh my gosh, look at my angel numbers. But I think I dozed off for about half hour or so. But it was amazing. He gave so much value. He truly loves people and he gives a lot of value. And because of that, he inspires me to do the same. Whatever I learned from him, and I come and I do a video, I tend to share the same because I am so inspired, I am so motivated, I am so dedicated to my journey, to my goals, to my dreams, to my success. I am so motivated and dedicated, and he does that for me as well. I am self-motivated and dedicated, but whenever we have our Zoom meeting, he just takes it up a notch for me. And absolutely 100% he did it last night. I went to bed 5 o'clock this morning because I hadn't journaled before my Zoom meeting. So after I was done, I had to journal and I had to do affirmations and do all my nightly stuff. So I went to bed and meditate. I went to bed about 5:30. Yeah. And I got close to 5 hours, and that's it. And I'm up and going after my goals. But guys, he said some stuff and he told us some stuff about 2021. What are 5 things that you would really like to accomplish in 2021? Now, I have my life's goals, right? So I have a book that I write into my journal every evening before bedtime. And I write like 3 pages long. And that's my life's goal. Everything that I desire in my life. But what he said was last night to write 5 things, only 5 things that you would really like to accomplish. And if you accomplish that, you really know that you're moving forward, But do not put a timeline on it. That's one of the things he said. And there are other persons out there that are saying that what it does, it gives you the drive to work hard for your goals. But my mentor says something else. You cannot tell God when to bless you and how to bless you. You don't know how your goals are going to be fulfilled, how your desires are going to come about, who God, the Almighty, the Divine, the universe, you don't know who will be used as a resource to come to your aid, to assist you, to partner with you. You don't know who and when and how. But what he challenges us to do is to write 5 things, 5 goals. I have mine written down. It's still on my coffee table. I'm going to put that in my bathroom on the mirror. And that's where I'm going to put that. I may put that a couple places. So I may write a couple more and put it a couple places. And so 5 things. And one of the things that I really, really want is to retire my mommy and then being able to financially have the finances to travel. I love to travel. I love to shop. To being able financially to travel wherever I want to travel any time of the week, of the month, of the year. I don't have to ask anyone for time off because I work for myself. So I have 5 things that when those are accomplished, I know that I'm moving along, and I want those to be accomplished this year. But do not put a timeline, say by March, by October, no, do not put a timeline, because like he said, that can happen tomorrow. Those things perhaps may come into your existence tomorrow. You put a timeline on it for next year, or for not next year, for later in the year, because the goal seems so big for you, but it's not big for God, for the universe, for the divine, whatever you call it. And so that's something. I never put a time on my goals. I never did that somehow, because I know that God can bless me at any time with whatever I desire. But I have to believe in myself. I have to believe in what I am doing daily, my task, the action that I am putting in daily. I have to believe that even when I don't see anything happening, that it is working. And that's what he challenged us to do. So he said this year, he's not going to talk about anything technical, anything about the business side. We will deal with that other times. But every Tuesday when we have our Zoom, he's only going to deal with our attitude and feelings. That is big. What is your attitude right now as you are setting your goals for 2021? When you don't see anything happening and you're working towards achieving them, what is your attitude? And that's what he said for 5 hours. That's all he spoke about. Can you imagine? What is your attitude? People have poor attitude as you are on the journey. Oh, I don't see anything happening. This is not working. Oh, this is not working. Oh, this is fake. People have such poor attitude about their goals and their dreams and their desires and achieving great success. People do. Because it may happen tomorrow for some persons. It may happen next month. It may happen 6 months later. You never know. But he said, what is your attitude? And how are you feeling? What is your energy level? What is your vibration that you're releasing out there? Is your vibration on the same level as the goals that you want to achieve and the great success? And that's what he has challenged us this year. He says that's all he wants to talk about every Tuesday on our Zooms. What is your attitude? When you see nothing and every day you write, and he challenged us, he said to write your goals every day. I have been writing now for 386 days because my year just passed in December, I think December 2nd, and I'm at 300 plus days, 80 plus some plus days of writing my goals, which is my life's goal. So the 5 things I desire to accomplish in 2021, I wrote that, and I'm going to put that in my bathroom, perhaps my kitchen, or 1 or 2 places, just to see those 5 things throughout the house. But guys, that's what I want to share with you, what my Zoom last night with my mentor was. What is it that you want? 5 things for 2021. And when you write, you must write it. You must write it. Writing is powerful. Writing has a frequency, which is energy, which is vibration, which is you want to write. You want to write your goals down. Write 5 things that you just want to accomplish in 2021. And then when you do that, each day, what are the action you're taking towards that? You know, so for me, I know that public speaking is a gift for me. I've always been speaking, even in my church, in the gyms, the females, when I train my clientele, I've always been giving advice, and just always that is a gift that I know that I have. How am I working on that skill daily? Because you got to work on the skill. I'm doing a video for YouTube every day. I go live on my Facebook a couple times a week. and I do videos for my women empowerment private Facebook group that I have, and I do a video for my IG. And so that's how I'm getting my voice out there, and I am perfecting that skill, because you have to perfect your skill. You want to rap? There was a lady on that says she wants to rap. And so he said, why don't you do a YouTube video every day? That's how you perfect your skill. If you believe that your skill is speaking, inspiring, and motivating, and I see myself in packed stadiums speaking to packed, no seats available, just jam packed. I have to start somewhere. So I do a video each day. And if you go back, I think I was supposed to say I'm at my 200 mark videos. I'm over 200 now, because I believe I ended the year with 200 videos, and today's the 6th. Yeah, so I'm at 206 videos today. Yeah, guys. Can you imagine? What was my number one video like? It wasn't like this one. I was not this comfortable doing my first video. And so you have to start somewhere. And so that's what he is saying to us. What is your attitude? What is the goal that you're setting? Okay. And then what actions are you going to take each day? Take the actions, but don't worry so much on how you're going to accomplish that goal. That's what's going to trip people up. Don't worry how it's going to be accomplished. I don't know how all my goals and my dreams are going to come about. I don't know where the opportunities are coming from. I don't know who are the influential people that I'm gonna encounter, but I know that there will be influential people that I am attracting into my life right now. The right influential and successful people, I am attracting them right now. I know that I am attracting the right resources. I don't know how, but each day I make a step forth, and I do a video every day. I go live on my platforms, and I am perfecting my skill. And that's what we all need to do as we are on the journey, seeking success, seeking for our goals and our dreams and our desires to come forth. And so that's what I will leave you with, guys. What is your attitude every day as you work on the goals, as you work on the dreams? What is your attitude? And then, how are you feeling when you see nothing happening? You are doing this and doing this and doing this, and you really don't see any signs. Are you going to be joyful and happy? And this is working for me. Yes, that's what I keep saying to myself. Everything I'm saying, all my affirmations, everything I am doing, it is working for me. Yes. Now, I'm human, but I know how to change my state whenever I start to overthink. Whenever, you know how the mind is. I think my mentor said we have 6,000 thoughts per day. When some of those 6,000 thoughts starts to rise, I go into meditation and quiet that down, and I start to scream my affirmations. Yes, that's what I do. That's how I change my state. I change my state through affirmation and through music. Music will change your state in an instant. So I change my state through affirmations, and everything is working out for my highest good. Yes. And I start to scream my affirmations, and also I play music and I dance. So guys, that's all I leave you with tonight, today, this morning, this evening, wherever, whatever time you are looking at my video. I want to leave you with, what is your attitude? What attitude do you have as you set your goals, towards success? What is the attitude? And then, what's your vibration? What's the energy? What's the frequency? You got to raise that. You got to be joyful. Guys, when you see nothing happening, you got to be joyful. You have to reprogram yourself to do that. And I'm going to leave a step-by-step, the number one guide, how to do that. And so it's in the link below. Also, a free gift is in the link below. Grab your free gift. Check the step-by-step guide, how to reprogram yourself, as you're on the journey going after great success. Guys, it's your girl Georgette. I love you so much. Now you may subscribe if you haven't. And give me those thumbs up. Put your notifications on. Drop me a comment in the box below. Are you going to now raise your vibration daily, be joyful and be happy, and have a good attitude? Are you going to do that? You need to have that good attitude. You need to have that energy. Yeah, you got to have the energy, or else nothing is going to happen, because you got to raise it. You got to meet the goal. You got to meet the desire. You got to meet great success. It's not going to come down to your poor vibration. You got to raise the vibration, guys. I'm out of here. I love you so much. I appreciate you watching every day. I'm going to leave more videos for you to keep watching. They're going to be popping up right now. I love you so much. I send you love and light. It's your girl, Georgette. I'm out of here. Mwah. Bye-bye.